Gears for sure. You know, it's probably definitely worth fixing the rust and putting some paint on it this summer, maybe. This 1986 Chevrolet pickup comes complete with the new look of Rash paint. 2009 Mustang convertible. It is not a GT. Well, I think we made a deal here.
Yeah, we made it.
All right.
All right, so welcome to RCindustry. That is a 350, and it looked like from the tag it's got a HT400 in it. Yeah, that's a big step up from that one back there. Well, it's got a 350 in it, but it's got well, let's take it for a spin.
Typical Rocky. That's the only thing I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Got good heat. That plastic piece for the door panel's laying in there. I had it glued on there.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. The wing windows, man, they'll probably fall out if you open them.
Oh, okay.
Tailgate. That'd fall off or not. That's an old hay wagon.
Yeah, that's got a nice hook on it.
I welded the hooks on there, but alright.
Yeah.
Go down the road there. Right on.
Another works too. My wife will like that.
Remember that steering.
Yeah, you will.
That truck drives good.
Yeah.
Well, the old girl seems to drive pretty good. Acts like it's got the, it's really wicked on the steering, so I don't know if the toe end's out on it or the camber's out or something, but definitely got nice power steering. 411 gears for sure. Look at that. Yeah, this one runs pretty good. The old boy thinks that's original miles, but typical Indiana titles, it says exempt, so who knows? Let's see if we can turn around here. Doe-skin tan and mahogany interior, so it was a tan color originally.
Wait.
Well, I think we made a deal here.
Yeah, we made it.
All right.
All right, so you guys tell me what you think this one ought to be called. We'll have to give it a name. So anyway, show you more. blue-brown certainly looks good going down the road. I mean, I'd never seen it. I've seen it on, you know, like film down at the racetrack, but I've never seen it driving on the highway before. So it's a good-looking truck. You know, it's probably definitely worth fixing the rust and putting some paint on it this summer, maybe. You guys tell me what you think, but that's an awful good-looking truck. Well, I'm not sure how this video's turning out. Seems like it's been a lot going on, but we got home last night with the truck, and but before we looked at that, well, we got the car fixed. Lots going on in this video, that's for sure, but I wanted to let you know that we did get the car fixed. They were able to remanufacture that Shaker 500, and all of it seems to be working. So $567 later, the car's fixed. Well, hey, sorry for the interruption in today's video, but I wanted to take this short opportunity to let you know about Shop RCindustry. Yes, you can go to Shop RCindustry and you can get you this trucker's hat. Order online today. We also have shirts, white, gray, and black. And wintertime is coming, so get you a hoodie. We appreciate any purchase you make on Shop RCindustry. You can go to the About section in your phone, scroll down to the very bottom and click on that tab and it'll take you right there. All the proceeds are going back into the builds here at RCindustry. Here at RCindustry, we're making it just like brand used, baby. And now, back to your regularly scheduled video. Like I said in the last video, if you're interested in a 2009 Mustang convertible, it is not a GT, why, let me know. Send me an email, because we're probably going to sell this thing. All right, show you more. As you know, we got the car back, so I thought maybe I might wash this thing off a little bit, and before I take it back over to Daddy's house and put it in the garage. Anyway, thought I'd show you that. But yeah, here's the truck we bought. You saw little bits of it, I think, or you saw it when we pulled up. I don't know what you saw. I can't remember. Justin was doing some filming and I was doing some filming, and so I just don't know how this is going to turn out. But here we go. So there's the truck, and you know, for me, for something that I generally buy, it's in pretty good shape. Got some rocker panel stuff. We're going to go all over this probably in the next video, but got a little problem there. And I don't know if I'm real crazy about this bumper. Haven't decided on that yet. But I got to tell you, you know, we'll look at it more, but if you look down in here in this bed, this thing don't even look like it's ever had anything hauled in it. It's pretty crazy, actually. And I know I've got a gas tank missing on this side, so I don't know if the fuel switch works in it or not. I have no idea. So anyway, I appreciate you coming along. Thanks for liking and sharing and, you know, doing all the stuff. And yeah, I don't have any idea how many subscribers we've got now. I should look at that. It's about 6,500, I think. I just appreciate every one of you that has subscribed and watches the videos. The last video we put out, I think, got 400 and some views. That's pretty good for me. So anyway, yeah, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. So as always, we're making it just like brand used here, baby.